The Ducati World Premiere 2025 project will launch 5 products before November. The first model being launched this time is the Ducati Multistrada V4. The Multistrada V4, V4S, and V4 Pikes Peak 2025 are 3 models expected for this variant. Ducati states that the Multistrada V4 has received updates in design, mechanics, and electronics to enhance the riding experience. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. The standard model is more suited for touring and off-road use, while the V4S adds high-performance equipment and a sportier appearance. In terms of design, the new Multistrada V4 and V4S have received several visual changes, particularly in how the colors are painted across the body. The base color extends from the fuel tank to the extensions and also to the beak section. When viewed from the front, the Multistrada V4 appears more aggressive than ever. The silver radiator cover now features a darker color, and the V4 sticker is written in bold letters, making it stand out. Ducati has also used a darker gray and black for the swing arm and some plastics to enhance contrast in the overall look. The LED headlights have also been revised to provide better illumination. The Multistrada V4 and V4S are available in the following colors: Ducati Red, Thrilling Black, and Arctic White. The Pikes Peak model, on the other hand, is the top-tier model, equipped with the latest electronic features and the highest efficiency levels. The front and rear lights have been newly designed. Ducati specifically redesigned the front light to reduce shadows near the front wheel. The Ducati Brake Light Evo now flashes at speeds below 15 km per hour, or 9.3 miles per hour. Additionally, there are changes to the rear swing arm, and the wheels are lighter by 2 kg because some variants use forged wheels. Powered by a V4 Granturismo engine with a displacement of 1,158 cubic centimeters that produces 170 brake horsepower at 10,750 rpm and 124 Nm of torque at 9,000 rpm. Ducati has added a new exhaust system that looks sportier than the previous unit. With the 2025 model update, the Multistrada V4 receives a new, wet riding mode. This mode reduces peak power to 115 brake horsepower, softens throttle response, and keeps traction control vigilant. This mode, along with other customizable modes such as Sport, Urban, Touring, and Enduro, can be adjusted. Ducati has also introduced the option to individually customize the semi-active suspension settings for each riding mode. With the race riding mode, a single-sided swing arm, additional Alene suspension, and a 17-inch front wheel, the 2025 Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak offers a sportier riding position. Additionally, there are several new graphics inspired by MotoGP, MX, and current Ducati superbikes. The Ducati Multistrada V4 2025 family will be available to dealers in Europe in October 2024.